Chapter 11. The Color of Light. A beam of light seems to have no color, but actually it is made up of colored rays. Usually these colored rays combine to form the white light. But it is possible to see the different colors at certain times. For instance, when it rains and the sun's rays pass through raindrops, since the raindrops have many sides or surfaces, the rays split up into a beautiful shape of different colors. And we see the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Light moves through space as waves. These waves have a frequency and a wavelength. The number of ups, crests and downs, clouds of wave crossing a particular point in 1 second is called the frequency of the wave. The distance between one crest and another, or one throw and another, is called its wavelength. The colored light rays have different wavelengths which form an array called the light spectrum. Any light whose wavelength is shorter than violet or longer than that of red cannot be seen by us. There are two more reasons why we see a particular color and not another. It depends on the material on which light falls. Another reason is how the eyes see the color. So, a ripe tomato is bright red because its skin reflects the red light in sunlight and absorbs all other colors. By itself, the tomato is not red. In the same way, some objects appear to change colors if they are tilted towards or away from the light. And if the light source is changed, an object's color may alter. The changing colors of the sea provide the best example. When light strikes water, most of it is reflected and some of it goes under the surface. The sea gets its color when light is scattered from beneath the surface. Also, different wavelengths of light penetrate to different depths. Thus, if the water is clear, the red and yellow wavelengths of light are absorbed, leaving only blue-green light to be scattered back. This is why clear seas appear blue. The dark blue color of the Mediterranean Sea comes from the sky and its reflection in the water. On cloudy days, the same sea could appear to be grey. Also, cells that are sensitive to light are disturbed differently in the retina of the eye in different people. That is why people often fight apart on the color of the sea or flower or car that they are seeing. They should just make light of their differences. Understand words: frequency, repetitions; penetrate, to pierce into; scatter, to separate and go off in different directions. Chapter 12.